Hey, it's Michael. How are you?
I'm well.
I've got a couple of things that I'd like to ask you today. The first one being, could you tell me a little bit about your background and how you got involved with this product?
Oh, sure. Yeah, actually it went back over a decade ago when I was working for the family business, and they had the largest natural supplement distributorship in the United States. And I was in charge of the catalog, and I was in charge of training the staff about new products and so forth. Well, we represented about 450 of the most prominent natural supplement manufacturers, and I had a lot of, I was taking a lot of those products. Let's just face it. I had a whole warehouse of which I could avail myself, test things out, do research. Well, one day a brand new vendor came on board, and she was not your typical manufacturer or business person. This was an award-winning scientist, and she had these products that when I took them, within days, I felt the most extraordinary results. Even my vision, I didn't need my glasses, things like that. Well, I developed a relationship with this scientist. We became friends. She ultimately brought me from New York to Seattle to be vice president of her company. And she trained me and taught me about the value of growth factors. In fact, she got a grant from the National Institute of Health for her studies with AIDS patients, because none of her AIDS patients ever died. Why?
Wow.
Because she was using growth factors. Now, the product that we are discussing, the all-natural product we are discussing, the real active ingredient that distinguishes it from everything out there in the market is the fact that it contains fibroblast growth factor, one of the most powerful growth factors in the body. Unfortunately, we don't have it in our body as an adult. It's basically found in the placenta as we are being formed, and in the colostrum in milk when we're being breastfed. That's how critical this growth factor is to creating perfect physical form. In fact, the experts, and this is published, it's called the Experts Journal. They have an article and a study, clinical study, that the title of which says Fibroblast Growth Factor, the jack of all trades. They admit that although they don't know how this growth factor works entirely, that it is so profound in so many areas of healing and regeneration that they call it the jack of all trades.
Wow.
Pretty astonishing. And, judging from the testimonials that we all have heard and have experienced in our own lives, that's just an understatement of what it does.
What kind of results and testimonies are you talking about? What kinds of things have happened?
Well, I think for me as a former healer, I had my own practice, it is obvious to me that you can be ill in your physiology, you can be ill in your mental capacity, and you can be ill in your emotional capacity. The most astonishing thing about fibroblast is the fact that because it really rewires your brain, and the brain is in charge of the entire organism, you find results not only physiologically in symptoms of blood sugar issues, elevated, acid or elevated, high blood pressure, sugar levels, you name it. You find all of those physical things ameliorating themselves and old injuries healing themselves, but you also find mental issues correcting themselves, memory issues. People who've had strokes start talking in a matter of weeks. Not only mental issues, emotional issues, which I personally believe is the scourge of mankind. The product is actually proven to ameliorate the effects of depression. It increases your serotonin, makes you happy. The literature, if you go to PubMed.gov, which is the repository of third-party clinical studies that are peer-reviewed and published, that this is the blue ribbon science of the world. if you type in fibroblast growth factor and take a look at the studies proven to heal all kinds of situations, you will be astonished. Everything from schizophrenia to seizures to depression to, you know what trips me out even is most recently Harvard University did a study on fibroblast growth factor, and you know what they found? This is like
What's that?
unbelievable. They found that it eliminates fear.
Oh gosh.
They trained these animals to have a terrorizing response to a certain stimulus.
Mm-hmm.
And then they introduced fibroblast into the regimen for half the group. And when they reintroduced that terrorizing stimulus, none of the animals treated with the fibroblast growth factor had that startle response. They were no longer afraid. So in the literature, you will see anxiety disorders getting healed, depression, all kinds of things like that. People just feel happy and calm, unafraid, and my term for it is bulletproof. You just walk around feeling bulletproof.
That's amazing. What about, the typical aging things, like hair loss and your skin gets worse and your vision and, those just natural kinds of things?
Well, they're natural when you realize that the body is a self-planned obsolescence machine. We wind down. What that means is oxidative stress, toxins, all kinds of stress in the environment we start rusting essentially from the inside out. And what that does is it compromises the structure of our very DNA. The DNA gets damaged. So every time our cell replicates, we get worse and worse copies of that cell. Now, what they found in the literature, that fibroblast growth factor actually fixes the damage done to our DNA. That's why over a period of time, even I remember one of the doctors saying that your real results, even though you feel this product very quickly, the real huge results happen in probably month 4 when your cells have been replicating and replicating better and better and better versions of themselves. So your skin gets better, your vision gets better, your hair gets thicker, shinier, bouncier.
Wow.
People start regrowing their hair. It starts coming in a darker color. Skin looks like it really does look like I've had a facelift. I'm 60, I'll be 66 in about a month, and I put on makeup every day, and when I looked in that mirror after about a few weeks, I said, oh my goodness, my eyes don't sag. Oh my goodness, look at my neck. It's like, this is really, really handling a lot of amazing issues. So I just truly believe this is probably they talk about a magic bullet, and that has kind of a negative connotation because nothing's ever come close to that. We've been used to being routinely disappointed in products. We wind up urinating out most of the effects of the products because they're isolated. They don't have the cofactors in them. This product is a whole food. It contains everything that the body needs, not only to structurally handle the job of repair work, but it has the software. The fibroblast growth factor acts as software. If you consider our brain as like a computer, which it kind of is, it's nothing without the software. And without the fibroblast growth factor, the brain does not know what to do. As soon as you administer that software, it's up and running. That's why we're seeing results as quickly as we are.
What a great analogy that is. What does it do to hormone levels? Does it have any effect on that?
That's a great question. And the reason growth factors are so extremely important is that they are signaling molecules. Most people recognize the term human growth hormone. It might as well be called human growth factor. It's a growth factor. It's the granddaddy of all, signaling molecules. And the reason it's important is because it monitors and it orchestrates the entire endocrine system. And what a lot of the doctors have found is that when you regulate serotonin, that's your happy hormone. And we've always heard is that if you're happy and peaceful, you'll be healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there's good chemical reason for that because doctors have found that when you balance serotonin, like this product does, all of the other hormones balance behind it. It's looking for serotonin to be the leader. And so a lot of other hormones are totally handled. For instance, I've never trusted human hormone replacement therapy.
Right.
Because I never, even though they say it's natural,
mm-hmm.
It isn't natural in the sense that it requires a compounding pharmacy to figure out the dosages. I don't trust human error. I trust my own body and my own brain to diagnose and prescribe for my body what it needs. This product allows your body to diagnose and prescribe for itself.
Wow.
You are healing itself.
Well, that sounds almost like an adaptogen. Is it? I mean, does it have that kind of property?
Perfect term. It is. The brain, it gives all of the ingredients and software necessary for the brain to balance itself. That is what the brain is constantly trying to do, is find homeostasis. And this is what the product does. It checks blood sugar levels, balances them. Checks acid-base balance of the blood, balances it. Checks cholesterol levels, balances it. Checks sugar levels, balances it. Checks serotonin levels, balances it. It's really I'm so glad this came into my life.
Would you, I mean, other than adaptogen, it almost sounds like it's also a regenerative product. I mean,
without a question, it's one of the most profound wound healers in the entire body. I mean, I'm living proof. I sustained a near-death experience in a car accident, crushed my femur and my hip in 1983.
Wow.
And I left all the artillery in there because the doctors almost killed me putting it in. And I took that as a sign that Western medicine was just not going to be my path. And I was right. So I left all of this artillery in my body. You can imagine the damage that sustained, blocked meridian, scar tissue. I've been limping and in pain, and it got progressively worse with aging.
Mm-hmm.
The deterioration in that left leg. Well, all I can say is there is no vestiges of that. For the first time in my life, and it took somebody else to notice. They said, Phyllis, I was at a meeting and somebody, they were listening to me with all these wonderful tales, so they asked my friend, Nancy, what have you noticed about the changes in Phyllis? And one of the first things she said was, well, she's not limping anymore. I didn't even notice it because I had become so accustomed to the pain and the limping, it took someone else for me to notice it.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing.
It's just amazing.
Well, sometimes a product, first of all, I've never heard of a product like this before, so I'm pretty amazed about it. I'm pretty excited. But is there a loading dose to get started on the product?
Yeah, there is. The company suggests, and that's for the trial pack, should you want to try it.
Mm-hmm.
They allow you to get the trial pack, which is 3 boxes of 30 tablets each at a wholesale price. And that will give you your loading dose of 2 tablets on an empty stomach twice a day for about 2 weeks. Some people stay on it longer. I still am on that dose all these months later because as a person who's a senior, I think I have a lot more damage to heal than, let's say, somebody in their 20s or 30s. The good news with this product is you don't have to worry about dosages that much. Mm-hmm. Because it's not like a drug. You can't overdose on it. You can't underdose on it. The body will use whatever it needs, and it's a functional food, basically. So you don't have to worry about taking too much or too little, but I wouldn't want to take too little. I'm raring to go to have everything healed. Bingo, bango.
I think most of us are. Is there any possibility of detox symptoms or anything like that?
Yes. Yes. In fact, I was just on a call, and some of the doctors were noticing giving this product to their patients that the vast majority of the patients had a really spectacular, very rapid result, but there were some that did not have that experience. And what the doctors have been finding is that those people who are extremely toxic, they don't have that wonderful result right away. And that when they went through a period of detox, and I'm not sure whatever method these doctors used to detox them, then the product worked brilliantly. But for those of us who are not extraordinarily toxic, but are moderately toxic just by living in this environment, this product will absolutely detox you. And you might find, that's why you need to drink a lot of water, because you need to flush this out.
Oh, okay.
Some people might get headachy or nauseous or tired in the beginning as their body is letting go of these toxins. Because the first thing a cell is going to do, who's been asleep at the wheel, when it wakes up, which this product will wake it up, it looks around the interior of itself and it says, what's all this garbage? What's all these acids? Let me let them go. And that's what a detox is, a cell that's waking up that's doing some house cleaning.
But my tendency would be, if I start taking the product and start feeling worse, my tendency would be to stop taking it.
Right.
It just seems like human nature to me.
Yes. Yeah. Those of us who have not been in the natural healing world, we always tend to assume that a symptom that's not that's troublesome is a problem.
Right.
But we know that in the healing world that is not true. You may go through retracing, even retrace some symptoms that you had before, and as the toxins are let go, you may experience some short-term discomfort for a very big long-term gain. If you keep in mind that this is healing and not a problem, you can go through it better. It's like giving birth. If you ever really had a labor pain and you didn't know a baby was going to be the result, you would probably kill yourself and think you had the last stages of cancer because it's that painful. But when you know and you're educated and you say, oh, there's a blessing at the end of this, you just go through it. So it's all a mental, people need to be educated about their body. We're just not educated. But, a product like this will help enormously in educating people about how their body works and how to heal it naturally.
Is this, some products, that I have taken in the past, I experienced some benefit in the short term, but what would happen if I took it for, 3 months or 4 months or whatever, started feeling great, and I stopped taking it? Is it an immediate bounce back or something to where I was, or what would happen?
I think it depends on the individual, but the answer to that is it's not as if you're getting, the body is healing itself. So it's not necessarily the product that you need, it's the body waking up and healing itself. If it's done a good job, after, again, about 4 months, where you're getting good copies of those cells, if you stop taking the product, you won't go back to square one.
Oh, okay.
You will still feel pretty good. But the idea is, since it's a planned obsolescence machine, if you don't keep up taking the product, eventually you'll start winding down again.
That makes
sense. Just like you did before. The body is not going to be producing fibroblast growth factor. It is something that you do need from the outside.
Okay. Well, that makes perfect sense. Once you get through the loading dose or the beginning dose of the product, what is a reasonable maintenance dose?
Well, the company proposes that you do 2 twice a day for about 2 weeks, and then go on 1 twice a day and monitor yourself. Eventually, it is proposed that you will need 1 tablet per day as a maintenance dose.
Wow.
So and we're so individual, depending on your age and physical condition, the time required to get you to be ready for a maintenance dose will vary. That's why I'm continuing a larger dose because my story is that I'm 66, and so I have a lot of healing to do. And so you have to just monitor yourself and see, do I feel better on 2? Can I get away with taking 1? Your body will let you know.
Well, today, I mean, you can't hardly, watch television or read anything on the internet. It seems like there's just 3 giant things that people are trying to address every day, and one of them is, the mood, anxiety, antidepressant kinds of products, and there's also, as men age, their libido starts to decrease, and then also weight loss is just a huge, huge thing, it seems, these days. Does this product address any of those 3 things?
It actually addresses all 3 things, which again goes back to why they call it the jack of all trades.
Wow.
Because it's balancing the entire endocrine system, and this is actually published studies that the company did, it's proven to increase testosterone, which has a direct effect not only on strength and stamina, but on libido. There's no question that it enhances libido. As far as weight loss, absolutely. It is known to actually satisfy carb cravings, so you don't feel ravenous. Wow. It has to do with cysteine glutamate uptake. That satisfies the craving center of the brain. When you have enough of that, which happens with this product, you're not starving all the time. People have been losing weight without changing any part of their lifestyle.
Really?
Because it's balancing your cortisol. Cortisol will make you retain fat, and this is allowing the fat to kind of dissolve.
Now, cortisol, isn't cortisol caused by stress?
Yes, cortisol, and this is important. Cortisol acts like acid on your brain. It's secreted by the adrenals, which is why 90% of people go to the doctor. Their adrenals are shot, because it's the amount of stress we have to live under. So they're secreting cortisol. Cortisol acts like acid on the brain. It's why we get brain fog and we can't remember. And all the bodily functions start dissipating. Stress is huge. It is proven that this product will cut your cortisol levels in half.
Wow.
I have never heard, and still don't think there's not even a drug that purports to cut your cortisol levels.
That's amazing.
This alone is huge.
That is amazing. So the product must cross the blood-brain barrier then at some point?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
It does. Yep.
So what about, other symptoms like, we have grandchildren now, and it seems like the whole rage is ADD, and, there's incidence of autism seems to be rising every year. You're hearing more and more of it. Does it have any effect on that?
It does. It has an amazing effect on all kinds of neurological ailments, regardless of what they appear to be caused by. There is wonderful testimonials with autism, with Parkinson's, stroke victims, ADD, any kind of neurological imbalance. What the product is able to do, and we didn't talk about this, is actually allow the brain, the ingredients and the software for it to create its own adult stem cells. Oh. The brain then takes those generic stem cells and sends it to any part of the body that requires healing and regeneration. And so that's another reason why we are seeing such varied and astonishing effects. And yes, all of the things that you mentioned are affected by that.
What about, one of the other things, one of my daughters has been diagnosed with a form of bone cancer, and she's been going through chemo for a couple of years, and she is so exhausted and worn out during that chemo process. Is this a product that you would take during the chemo process or prior to or after, or how would that work?
If you were going to go through the chemotherapy and opt for that method, you have to be prepared to, it's designed to kill, right? Mm-hmm. It's designed to kill. You have to allow it to do its job if that's what you choose. If you are going to take this product while you're doing that, you're fighting one another. One's trying to rebuild and one's trying to kill. If you opt for chemo and radiation, personally, I would wait till that scenario was over
Okay.
And then I would rebuild the body and go from there.
So it would be perfect.
That's a personal decision on someone's part.
It is, and it's a hard decision, I think, for most people to have to face. Well, I've taken a lot of your time, but I do have another question about, you have been involved in this business for a little while, and not very long, but when did you start your business with this company?
I started my business with this company end of August of 2011.
Mm-hmm. And how has it gone so far?
It's gone the most powerfully fast and lucrative of any other business that I have ever been in, and that includes corporate America and MLM history.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that must, obviously that's a direct result, not of some brand new breakthrough in marketing, but it has more to do with the product, I would suspect.
Yes. The product does all the heavy lifting. Okay. It's because it's so profound in its effect and so quick that something like this takes off. Generally, people who think, oh, I can't do this, I'm not a salesperson, this product turns everyone into a salesperson, because when this hits you, and it has a profound effect on you, there's hardly anyone with a pulse that can keep their mouth shut.
I like that.
It's really true, even if you're shy. I mean, what do people over 50 sit down and talk about after, I don't know what, it always comes down to, oh, I have arthritis. Oh, my back is killing me. I can't remember what I did with my keys. And that's what people talk about. And you mean you're going to sit on the fact that you couldn't remember and now you can? Of course You're going to say, oh, my God, I used to have that problem.
Yeah.
Listen to this. All of a sudden, guess what? You are now a salesperson.
Yeah, we talk, people over 50 tend, in fact, we were just talking about this a couple of weeks ago, you tend to talk about prescription drugs, symptoms, or diseases. I mean, that's just
unfortunately, I guess in the world that you are in, I'm in a different world. No friends of mine take drugs, or we're all in this natural thing.
Sure.
So I'm not sure how that works, but it would be, I think you're right, listening to other people, that is what people talk about. Mm-hmm. How could you not? If you are suffering, how could anything else be on your mind?
Yeah.
It grabs your attention constantly. The idea is to make the body kind of invisible to you, so you can start living your life instead of, living your life to cope with the body.
What a beautiful thought that is.
You've got to get the body as an issue off the plate. Otherwise, my goodness, what an obsession. It just eats up all your time and energy.
Yes.
And then you're not really living at all.
Yeah. Well, Phyllis, I truly appreciate you taking the time today to talk to me, and this is going to help me, and it's also going to help an awful lot of people, and you're a great resource, and I truly appreciate you taking the time to talk to me today.
Well, it's been my pleasure. It's kind of a mission. Once you see what this does for people, how could you not want to share?
It really, truly is one of the most exciting things I've ever seen. I'm really, really excited. So thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm glad everything is going great, and you're regenerating yourself every day. So
I am.
Well, I'm going to keep you posted on how this works for me, but it's already done some incredible things. But I appreciate you very much, Phyllis. We'll be talking to you soon.